I mean, definitely C3 is a strategic partner for Microsoft, and we're working together in order to accelerate enterprise AI projects. And the fact that we're working together is definitely to be able to accelerate time to market and time to value with customers. With C3, we have proven value, we have proven customers, and that's where it can really make the difference when you provide some specific application where you're solving a complex problem that customer might not be able to solve on their own anyway. What we see is that customers, when they are convinced about the technology, they deploy massively and they increase use cases, they scale, they go to other factories, other use cases, etc. So this is, once you're convinced about the value that the solution is bringing, you're going to expand. I think they should really feel confident to embrace AI with C3 technology.